Whoa, it's a bird, it's a plane. No, that's just the kit I'm using. Okay, sorry. Um, Hi everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This week is a memory spread using this Spring Bouquet kit by Nikki Plus Three. This is in her older format, but still super, super pretty and gorgeous. I'm just obsessed with the really pretty, like, peachy tones to this kit. There's like some like darker yellows, some peaches, oranges, that type of thing, and it is just really, really stunning. So pretty. Yes. And I just can't get over how awkward that intro was. Okay. Yeah. So how's everyone doing? I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. I'm actually recording this voiceover like first thing in the morning, and I guess I'm a little loopy or something, but here we are. We're doing it. We're doing this. We're finishing out the voiceover strong somehow. Not sure. This is gonna probably be a disaster, I think. Okay, maybe I'll answer some questions. I'm gonna have to find them though. I know I have a few left from when I asked for questions on Instagram. I just need to find them. Ba-ba-da. But anyway, it's been a while since I last posted a plan with me. I think that was like almost 2 weeks ago now. And okay, here. Sorry. No, these are not the right questions. Okay, I found my questions. So the next question is, uh, so the next question is going to be from Connie of Coco Plans, who is absolutely the sweetest person ever. I love her. She says, let's talk self-care. What do you do for yourself? Even simple things like hair care. Okay, so for me, self-care is more like what the name is. It's like taking care of yourself. So in order to take care of myself more from like a mental perspective, I like to do like social media detox, or like I mean, I don't know if it's like a formal detox or anything like that, but I do try to limit myself or my time on social media. I feel like the more time that I spend on those like platforms, the worse I feel about myself. So I do try to like limit my time there. Um I would love to meditate more. I used to like every day, but I kind of fell off that, so I'd love to get back on there. Um, and just doing things that I enjoy, like I don't know, just relaxing. I feel like the mostly when I want to like take some time for myself, I just like hang out, I'll read a book, I'll watch maybe a show or that I love, or something like that. I'll kind of just enjoy the time to relax. So that's kind of my idea of self-care. I don't do too much as far as like um taking baths and things like that. That's just not something that I'm interested in. Oh, I do love getting massages. So that's definitely something I love and actually really need because my shoulders are so tense. Like it's pretty bad. Okay. So I think that I only have time for that one question. So thanks, Connie, for that question. I do have a few more that I will answer in some other videos. I don't know, whenever that happens. So, okay, looks like we are basically done with the sidebar, and I'm just going to be laying down the full boxes here. So everything so far has been from the kit, except for the at least from what you can see here in the shot, there is a sticker. It's a bookshelf from White Deer Stationery to mark that I started watching or reading Bridgerton, volume 1, which is like The Duke and I. It's the first book in the series, and it's basically like the first season of Bridgerton, the show on Netflix. And let me just tell you now that like the show is way better than the book. Honestly, like there's no need to read the book. It's like it's basically everything that happened in the book was basically in the show more or less, but the show was more interesting. That's like not something that normally happens, at least from like books that I've read that turn into either shows or movies. Usually the book is better, but in this case, like the book is just pointless to be honest. Like the show is way more entertaining. So I don't recommend that book at all. But anyway, other than that, in the sidebar, I just pulled in some like deco from the kit and then some foil deco from Honey Inked. You know, nothing too new there. The May script in the top in corner is from Sticky Soft Designs. So for work this week, I decided to pull in these laptop stickers from the Pretty Pink Co. I had exactly 5 left on the sheet, so I thought that was like, perfect to mark, to pull in one every day for work. So that is what I'm going to be using to mark work every day. Um, yeah, nothing too interesting. I always mark like how many meetings I had that day. Work is, takes up a good chunk of my day, like at least 8 hours. So, it's kind of hard. Even though work is like not interesting at all to mark, it's just like it takes up so much of my day that I probably don't have like much else going on anyway, like for the most part on like a normal day. So yeah, I like to mark work. But okay. Monday I just did some vacuuming. Archie had a vet appointment, so I pulled in a paw print from Sadie Stickers and then just ended the night with Modern Family. So I pulled in that sofa chair with popcorn from Planning World. On Tuesday, this was 2 weeks after I got my second COVID vaccine dose, so I wanted to mark that I was like fully vaxxed. So I pulled in that circle sticker from the Pretty Pink Co. and then that swoosh from Bloom Paper Studio. I did film some Plan With Me's at the end of the night, so you might have seen that I just pulled in some floral deco and then a Crafts by Towie filming icon. On Wednesday, Archie had to go in and get some x-rays, so I just pulled in that really beautiful lace box. This is the larger size of those lace boxes from Bloom Paper Studio, and you'll see that even though they are the larger size, they still don't take up the entire width of the column. There's still some like white space on either side, which is really nice. I think I love both sizes of that. I love the smaller one better, but I still also like the bigger size. But anyway, that dog collar is from White Deer Stationery. Just had some meetings this day, and then we had an exterminator come in because we had like some like ants and stuff in the house, so just wanted to get that taken care of. So we had pest control come in, and I also found out this day that I was getting like a small bonus at work, which is really nice and uninspected. But so I just pulled in a money icon from Paper Blush Bar, and then at the end of the night we got takeout from Panera and I didn't really have anything to mark that, so I just pulled in like this kind of like soup pot from White Deer Stationery and then a bow on top of that from Harry Wright Designs. Okay, Thursday I did edit and upload that Plan With Me that I filmed on Tuesday, so I just pulled in a Lilac Luna Plans YouTube icon. And I do have a code to that shop. It's Justine15. I do have a few coupon codes and they'll always be linked down below, either like in the description bar, or you can always click on my link tree and that'll take you to all of my current coupon codes. Okay. Oh, one thing of note on Thursday that happened was that I went back to exercising, for the last year and a half, basically, since like maybe last March or last February. I've just been the biggest potato, and I just like finally had enough of it and decided to start exercising. So, I've been ever since that day, Thursday, May 27th, I've been going and I've been exercising pretty regularly. I'd say at least 4 times a week, preferably 5 to 6. So yeah, that's been a pretty nice accomplishment, I'd say, in my book. On Friday, I took that bonus that I received and I invested it. This is like just my little tidbit of financial advice that no one asked for, is that if you ever get like some unexpected or extra money, just go ahead and invest it because that wasn't in your normal budget anyway. So you might as well just treat it as, just pay yourself and invest it for your future. So, okay. Friday, it was also my first time trying Zumba, and I think it's just not for me. Like I guess I just don't have, the rhythm that's needed for that. Um yeah. Okay. I don't think I mentioned it, but this week that I'm planning is the last week of May. This was basically the first round of the NBA playoffs, which, if you didn't know, I'm a huge Boston Celtics fan. And so, when I'm able to watch a game, I definitely try to catch it. So, yeah, we were in the first round of the playoffs. We were playing the Nets, and obviously we very much lost that series. But on Friday, we did win game three, which was nice. Wanted to mark that. I am just pulling in these basketball stickers from Sticky Slot Designs to mark every time that I watch an NBA game. Those are basically the only basketball stickers that I have. So on Saturday, my boyfriend made breakfast, so I just pulled in some utensil stickers from playing like pro, and then I did some yoga, got some bubble tea, you know what it is. I don't know. I thought I marked watching the playoffs really pretty on Saturday. I just pulled in that circle doily from Alyssa's craft shop. I do have a code to that shop. Floral deco from the kit, and then that basketball again, just to mark that I was watching the playoffs and relaxing. Um, on Sunday, we did go to my cousin's graduation party, so I pulled in just some hearts from Clever Gal Crafts to mark that. That makeup bag to mark getting ready is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then, just read some Bridgerton and watched some more playoffs. We did lose this game, but that's okay. That's a life as a sports fan. You can't win them all, unfortunately. But here is the final spread. Really pretty. I liked how simple this spread was. No, not too much deco, but still super, super pretty. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.